Becoming forest positive means ensuring the future of trees and the future of forest communities. At IKEA, we use wood in a large part of our home furnishing products. We love wood because it is durable, renewable, recyclable, and beautiful. When we design a piece of furniture, we make more from less. Every piece of wood is cut and shaped so that unnecessary waste is minimized in production. IKEA sets very high standards for all the wood we use. By the year 2020, we want all our wood to come from more sustainable sources, which we define as recycled or FSC certified wood. Why? Because we know that responsible forest management helps to combat climate change. Together with our partners, WWF and FSC, we make a difference for the future of the forests and the people living around them.